Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Camelia. Today's video, honey, we are back with another review. Yes, we are reviewing Thick It, Stick It Brow Mascara, or Thickening Brow Mascara by NYX Professional Makeup, or NYX. Honestly, I feel like TikTok's got juju in it, because I have to tell myself don't watch that thing at night, because I just be scrolling, but TikTok be putting the girls on, and obviously I'm here to relay and give you all the information that we're all wondering about, you know, some of these products that I review. You know, are they good? Are they worth the money? In my opinion, of course. If you want to know what this product is giving, subscribe for the ride, honey. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I drop another review video, and let's get into this one. My brows are not the thickest. For me personally, there's only so much I can do with a brow pencil. I do use the micro brow pencil by NYX. This is my favorite brow pencil to use. There is no other pencil as far as I'm concerned. But even with this at its sharpest, sometimes I can't get like the hair-like strokes that I really want. So it's supposed to be ultra buildable with hair-like fibers. Keyword: hair-like fibers. This is going to give me realistic eyebrows that we're trying to get, okay? So this really excites me, I'm not even gonna lie. So Thick It, ultra buildable with hair-like fibers. Stick It, flake, smudge, and transfer resistant. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold you guys up, because I am just as excited as you are to try all this, you know, formula. It is supposed to be a 16-hour wear. It will be really interesting to see if by, I say, around 12 o'clock midnight tonight, which is when I'm going to stop filming, if these brows are like still in place, and to see what they look like. This is what the packaging is saying. Very cute, very girly and all of that, but you know, we don't really care about that. We just want to know what's the formula saying. Don't distract me, okay? By the way, I do have this is in the color black, because I like black. I know some girls might use like brown here and then black for the rest of the wing. I love my eyebrows to be jet black. Don't judge me. Look how cute this packaging is. This is what the tube is saying. So what do you guys do when you're doing your makeup? Are you like a brows before makeup girl, or are you a makeup before brows girl? I am definitely a brows before makeup girl. So I'm actually gonna just brush my brows up. This is what I would normally do. As you can see, I don't have much brows, okay? I'm not a person, I am not blessed with brows. Literally, I don't know what I would do without the NYX micro pen. This, I'm gonna wipe it down, because I just don't want this to just be, you know, messy. I can definitely see fibers on this, guys. And I'm just gonna do it very... Okay, guys. Okay, so what I'm noticing is, so I'm not applying much pressure, because I'm actually able to see where, you know, like obviously if you apply pressure, a lot of product is going to come out. I'm actually concentrating here, because here is like my thin area, and I don't know if you guys can see this. I hope I'm zoomed in enough. Let me have a look myself. Guys, this ain't bad, you know. I'm not mad. I'm gonna quickly brush up to get anything. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Okay. Yeah, so like wherever I've applied too much pressure, you can definitely see the product. So you don't want to do that. You want to just do light strokes. I'm gonna do the wing area here. Start to look like. So what I'm learning by doing this is that actually you need to be quite light on the strokes, because otherwise you get like a blob of product that you don't want. This is what this brow is looking like. I love it. A little bit difficult to get the shape. Actually, you know what? No, this is looking pretty good, you know. Oh, I love this. Honey. So what I'm gonna do now is just go underneath my brow with my NYX Brow Pen, just to create I'm noticing that my brows feel as if they're stuck down, which, you know, that was the aim of the product, so we love it, especially for someone like me with really oily skin. My brows are usually the first to start lifting. This is fully giving me a brow. It's given me a brow so much that I don't even want to clean up. Like normally here for me is really quite pointy, but because it's given me like brows, I don't even need to like do like the pointing. I don't want to, because I just love the natural that this is giving right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. This is the final result. Girl, your girl has got brows. Hello, your girl has got eyebrows. Guys, I ain't even gonna lie to you, I absolutely love this product. Can we see, because normally my issue is, you know, trying to get this part here thicker, but also without it looking so like I've taken a pencil there. Do you know what I mean? But I love this product because if you, let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see, like this literally makes me look like I have got brows. I am completely obsessed. So as you can see, I've actually put on my full face of makeup. I didn't want to like bore you guys by, you know, doing my full face of makeup. I'm fully aware that you came here just to see the review for this amazing product, Thick It, Stick It, honey, okay? And do you know what? I love it. It takes a little bit of technique, but nothing too crazy. You kind of want to just apply, you know, the same kind of common that you would if you would, I guess, you know, you don't want a whole blob of product in a specific area of your eyebrow. So what I found was this is actually most effective when I did the one, you know, just put it in the tube, take it out. You're supposed to do that with mascara anyway, otherwise you'll just ruin your brush. But you want to go in once, right? And then you want to clean off any excess on the brush because you don't want to get like blobs and, you know, whatever, because you're gonna see it. And then you just kind of want to go in like really lightly, kind of stroking your natural brows and where you want, you know, your brows to be. And I'm not even gonna lie, I am obsessed. All I've literally done is gone in with my NYX micro brow pencil and gone underneath just to define my brows, which is what I would normally do. But with this product, I haven't felt the need to go, you know, at the top here. Like this is all hair. I'm gonna zoom in again. Like, okay, well, you know, it's all like, you know, the product. This is all like the product that's created a brow there, and I absolutely love. God, this is it for me. This is it for me. I'm gonna keep my NYX brow pencil because obviously I want to continue to make the definition underneath my brows, but this product is the shit. This product is amazing. This is the product that I've been looking for all of my life, and my brows are very okay. So they are definitely stuck in the position that they are. They're not moving. They don't feel like they're going anywhere because it's as if there's like, you know, like if you was to put like a, I guess like a kind of gel on top of it and it goes hard. The same way your lashes, like when you do mascara on your lashes then become, you know, hard with the mascara. That's exactly how your brows feel. But I love that they may feel like they're in place, but they don't look so like they're stuck in your you know, they're stuck in place. There's still, you know, you can see texture. And it looks like the kid has got brows. Guys, I am hype. I'm definitely gonna master this the more and more I do it, but this is definitely gonna be my new go-to product, and I am absolutely obsessed. It really does work. And I believe it might have been maybe something like, I don't even remember how much it was. I know it wasn't the cheapest. I don't remember how much it was. Whatever it is worth it. I absolutely love this product. This formula actually contains microfibers, which is what gives you that spiky, natural, real brow look. And I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. You've been watching carmeliaxcollabs. Thank you for watching. Guys, if you haven't already, like this video, comment down below anything you want to, honey, and yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe for the ride, and I will see you in my next video. It's now a little after 8. Girl, don't come for me. I just ate. I've got the itis. The kid's trying to go to bed right now. I'm trying to go to sleep. Okay, I'll be completely honest with you. I was going to stay up till 12. I absolutely don't need to now. So I wanted to do the end of the review now and just show you what it looks like a few hours later. As I said, for someone like me with such an oily T-zone, it actually makes, I don't need to wait 16 hours to know if a product's going to be cool for me. You should be able to see, like, this is like my skin beginning to like secrete the oil. Okay, and I just wanted to come in a little bit and show you what my brows are looking like now, and girl, the brows are intact. Guys, this product is like, you know, this is a 10 out of 10. I'm sorry, this is a 10 out of 10, honey. Usually the oil will start secreting through even in my eyebrow area, so it would be pushing away the product, and I'd be looking very oily in my eyebrow area. There'd be absolutely no definition, but as you can see, we've still got those like hairline strokes going on, which is from the, you know, the fibers in the formula of this product. I don't always do a follow-up, but I thought it was really important in this instance just because of the type of skin that I have and how much oil it secretes and how quickly it does it. It was really, really important. I did the end of this video. I did show you at the end of this video, you know, what my brows are looking like now. So yeah, I guess this is gonna be the real end to this video. I have another very popular product that I'm gonna be reviewing in next week's video, so make sure that you do stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you haven't already, guys, like this video, subscribe for the ride, turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I upload another video. And yeah, your girl is out in real time. Thanks for watching, guys.